Salam dostlar, менен атым Кая Адамс. Я директор USAID Kyrgyzstania. On this International Day of the Girl Child, I'd like to share a story that inspired me. When I was little, every single morning we would read the newspaper over breakfast. And every single evening at 6 p.m. we would watch the news on TV. And over digesting the news with dinner, my parents would ask me critical thinking questions. What did I think about what I had heard? What did I think about the politics? What values did I think were being represented? And on this day of the girl child, I would like to encourage all families to do these kinds of things together, to seek out multiple sources of information, and not just to listen, but to listen critically. What values are instilled in what you learn as a child from your parents and from the news and the world around you? And I would love to say that for me, the two things I learned were to question everything that I saw and that I read, to seek multiple sources of information and viewpoints, and most importantly, a strong sense of social justice. And to talk out when you see that there's something going on that's wrong, when you hear of injustices going on, to seek out and do the right thing and be active in your community. Those are skills that last a lifetime.